This is Will Stone, who's been a kickoff specialist for 3 years.
You know, he saw him beat Sonny Styles for a touchdown in the first half.
Any better if you were Texas on that last drive. So impressive.
So Golden leads the SEC with touchdown receptions. Texas by
Create some field position. Very dangerous returner today. Stone drives it right through the back of the end zone, says forget the return.
And the Jayhawks got their first win ever in Austin, 57-56. Stone's kickoff will be another touchback.